Good morning, children. Today we are starting our new chapter, addition. Addition also you studied in your first standard, but in second standard we have to study more about addition. In today's class we are going to discuss the definition and the rules. All of you look at the board, children. Here some kites are given here. How many kites are here? 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2. 3 kites and 2 kites make how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say this as 3 and 2 make 5. Or we can say 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. How we will write this? Using the symbols. 3 plus, children, did you remember this sign? 2 is equal to, we will write the symbol is equal to like this. Answer is 5. So 3 and 2 make 5. We can say 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. We can write it as 3 plus symbol of plus is this, 2 is equal to 5. So children, what we are doing here? 3 kites are there and 2 kites are also there. Actually we are putting them together. So what is the definition of addition? When we put together 2 or more numbers is called addition. When we put together 2 or more numbers is called addition. Actually we are putting them together. 3 kites and 2 kites. We put them together to make a group of 5. And the answer we are getting is called sum. When we put together 3 and 2, we get the answer 5. This answer in addition is called sum. This also you studied in your first standard. And the sign for addition is plus. We are using the sign plus for addition. Is it clear, children? Now, we are going to discuss the rules of addition. There are some rules in addition. Just revise all the rules that you already studied in your first standard. The first rule, adding 1. Look at the picture, children. Some flowers are given in the first box. How many flowers are there? 3 flowers. Okay. Now, in the second box, how many flowers are there? Only 1 flower. In the last box, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, here we are adding 3 plus 1. We put together 3 flowers and 1 flower. We get the answer 4. 3 plus 1. Answer is 4. With the help of the pictures, is it clear for all of you? Now, using the numbers, we will just find out some other questions. What about 4 plus 1? What is the answer, children? Which way we are adding? Did you remember? You studied in your first standard. Keep the big number always in your mind. So 4 in mind. Take 1 finger. After 4, 5. Yes. Now another example. 6 plus 1. Children, again keep the big number 6 in your mind. Take 1 finger after 6. Answer is 7. Okay. Now children, all of you look. In both these cases, I take the number 1. I am adding number 1 here and here also number 1. And look at the question and answer. Here 4, answer is 5. And here 6 and answer is 7. What is the relation? Yes, when we add 1 to any number, the answer is the number that comes just after. That is, when we add 1 with any number, answer is the just after number. When we add 4 plus 1, adding 1, answer is after number of 4. After number of 4 is 5. And here 6 plus 1, when we add 1, what is the answer? Answer is 7, and 6 and 7 before after numbers. Yes, okay, so after 6, 7 is the answer. When we add 1 to 6, answer is 7. So this is the first rule of addition. When we add 1 to a number, answer is the number that comes just after. Okay, is it clear? Now look at the next rule, adding 0. All of you look at the board, children. How many butterflies are there in the first box? 2. Now in the second box, is there any butterflies? No, nothing is there. It's a empty box. So in maths, which number we will write for the empty box? 0. Nothing is there. So we will represent it by the number 0. Now look at the third box. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2. Now look, children. 2 butterflies plus 0 is equal to 2. Is it? 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now we will do some other examples. 4 plus 0. What will be the answer? 0 means nothing. That means we are not at all adding any number. So what will be the answer? The same number, 4 itself. So what is the rule, children? When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. Once again, when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. Is it clear? Now, moving to the third rule of addition, changing the order. Some questions are given here, children. 1 plus 6. Now we discuss the rule, adding 1 we will get the just after number. So what will be the answer for this? 6 plus 1, answer is 7. Now 1 plus 6 and 6 plus 1. Here 6 again, big number in our mind. Take one finger. After 6, 7 is the answer. So children, in both these questions, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 and 6 plus 1 is also equal to 7. Now look at the next question. 4 plus 0. Adding 0, answer is the same number, 4. Next one, 0 plus 4. What is the answer? Adding 0, answer is the same number, 4. So children, look here. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 and 0 plus 4 is also equal to 4. Now look at the last question. 7 plus 3. How we will find out the answer? Which is the big number? 7. 7 in your mind. Take 3 fingers. Now after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the answer. Here again 3 plus 7. So among these, which is the biggest number? 7. 7 keep in your mind and take 3 fingers, and after 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, look all these examples. Here 1 is the first number, 6 is the second number. The answer we got is 7. Here change the order. Second number become the first. 6 I wrote first and 1 I wrote second place. So 6 plus 1, answer is also 7. Actually I am changing the order, but answers are same. Here look, first I wrote 4, second I wrote 0. 4 plus 0, answer is 4. Here I changed the order. The second number 0 I wrote in the first place and the first number 4 I wrote in the second place. Order change. I changed the order of the numbers. 0 plus 4. What is the answer? 4. Now here 7 plus 3. We add by taking our fingers. We got the answer 10. And for the next question I changed the order. The first number 7 I wrote second place and the second number 3 I wrote in the first place. 3 plus 7. Again we got the same answer 10. So what is the rule, children? When we change the order of the numbers being added, the sum means answer remains the same. The order of the numbers being added, we change the order of the numbers being added, the sum or the answer remains the same number. Is it clear? Now just revise all the 3 rules once again. When we add 0 to a number, when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number, and when we add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes just after. And what is the last rule? When we change the order of the numbers being added, the sum or the answer remains the same. So today we discussed the definition of addition. What is addition? Put together 2 or more numbers is called addition, and the answer we are getting is called sum. Okay, now after that these 3 rules of addition. All these are the topics we studied in our first standard. Just a revision before we starting the new chapter. So revise all these things, study well, because these rules we are using in our coming classes also for adding the big 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Okay children, so revise properly. We will see in the next class.